So in this video, we're going to be looking at slide transitions. So it says, apply a slide transition between all slides. So in your PowerPoint presentation, transitions will be found under the tab Transitions. You're going to choose a transition here that you think would be appropriate for your presentation, and then we'll say Apply to All. So let's say, for example, we will choose something like Fade. I'm going to choose Fade. And just to see what this is going to look like, well, firstly, let's say Apply to All. So we go to Slideshow, click on From Beginning, and what's going to happen is it's going to show you the transition. So when we hit space now, it should show you how the next slide will appear. So it should have a fade effect. So I'm going to hit space, and you can see that the text fades out from slide to slides. So there's our animation for the bullets, and there's the fade effect. So you just choose an appropriate transition. There are quite a few. And you say Apply to All, and then just see how it works by going to Slideshow and From Beginning. So that's how you apply transitions to your slides.